Hello guys, welcome back to Cafe Russian. Меня зовут Chris. I'm Chris, and today we are going to look at two very useful Russian verbs: знать and узнать. Знать and узнать. Знать means to know. It's like a fact, like a statement. You either know something or you don't know something. Узнать means to find out or to learn something, to figure out something. It's more like an action. And remember guys, when these verbs are with t at the end, that means they are in infinitive form. Like in English you say to know. In Russian, to know, знать. But once you put them in a sentence, you need to change this ending, this t ending, into something else. According to the tense, past, future, present, and according to the subject. Like he, she, it, I, you, and so on. And if you are just starting with these endings of verbs, I really recommend you to start with я and ты. These two are the most common ones, and you will use them most often. That's why it's better to start with them, just not to overload yourself. Я and ты. So I know. Я знаю. I don't know. Я не знаю. Я знаю это. Я знаю это давно. Я не знаю это. А ты знаешь? Do you know? So я знаю, ты знаешь. In the past, я знала or я знал for masculine. For you the same. Ты знал, ты знала. Узнаю, to find out. To find something out. Я узнала это вчера. I found out it yesterday. Я узнала это вчера. And if a guy was speaking, he would say я узнал это вчера. Я узнал это вчера. Or когда ты это узнал? When did you find out? Когда ты это узнал? Let's practice more. Can you say, how long have you known it? How long have you known it? Как давно ты знаешь это? Как давно ты знаешь это? But when did you find out? Когда ты узнал это? Когда ты узнал это? Я не знаю его хобби, поэтому мне сложно купить ему подарок. That's a long sentence. Я не знаю его хобби. I don't know his hobby. Поэтому, that's why, поэтому мне сложно, it's hard for me, мне сложно купить, infinitive, it's hard for me to buy, мне сложно купить ему подарок. It's hard for me to buy a present for him. Я не знаю его хобби, поэтому мне сложно купить ему подарок. Я не узнала ничего нового вчера. I didn't find out anything new yesterday. Я не узнала ничего нового вчера. Remember that in Russian we use double negatives. It's like in English you would say, I didn't find out nothing new. I know it sounds strange, but that's what we do in Russian. We say double negatives. Я не узнала ничего, ничего means nothing, ничего нового вчера. Or в школе я не узнала ничего нового. At school, I didn't find out anything new. В школе я не узнала ничего нового. Also, we can use present. Ты знаешь, ты узнаешь. So we can use present to speak about future. Когда ты узнаешь, во сколько освободишься? When will you find out what time you are free? Когда ты узнаешь, во сколько освободишься? Когда ты узнаешь, придешь ли на мой день рождения? When will you find out if you come to my birthday? So when you say this construction, like when will you find out if you come? So this if in Russian will be li, in this meaning, when you kind of like combine two sentences, when you kind of like combine two sentences in a question with if, that will be li. So, когда ты узнаешь, придешь, it's a future of come, приходить, придешь ли ты на мой день рождения? День рождения, it's birthday. So, когда ты узнаешь, придешь ли на мой день рождения? Я знаю, что буду занята в пятницу. So, I know I will be busy on Friday. So, again, you can use present here because you kind of already know. Я знаю, present, I know. Я знаю, что, that. Буду занята. Буду means will for I. Я буду, I will. Because the subject is the same in the both sentences, you can skip it in the second sentence. It's redundant, but if you say it, it's not a mistake. Я знаю, что я буду занята в пятницу. О, я знаю, что буду занята в пятницу. And with days of the week, we usually say in Russian. Like not on Friday, but in Friday. В пятницу. Я знаю, что буду занята в пятницу. Alright, guys? So make your own examples with знаю, узнаю, and try to make them in pair to feel the difference. For example, я знаю этот фильм. I know this movie. Or я узнала, что фильм был хороший. I found out that the movie was good. Я знаю этот фильм, or я узнала, что фильм был хороший. So try to make them in pairs to really feel the difference in meaning. Alright, that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope it was useful. And if you'd like to have more practice videos with grammar and vocabulary, and if you'd like to watch longer videos, like an hour videos with practice, Russian practice, conversational practice, and if you'd like to have annual meetings every month with me and some other Russian lovers to actually practice your Russian knowledge, and we have different students of different levels, have different meetings. Even if you are just beginning to speak Russian, that's perfectly fine. We are all very supportive and really friendly. And you also can have one-on-one meeting with me if you'd like, and that's what I do on my Patreon page. So I will leave this link down below in the description box. You can check it out. We have different subscriptions there. You can join us for a month, for a few weeks, you know, for as long as you want, and you can cancel the subscription anytime, no hard feelings. It's actually great even if you just watch these videos, or even if you're only considering to become a patron. That's really great, guys. You are super supportive. I really appreciate that. And I really hope that these videos are useful for you. I'm trying to do my best. If you have any questions or requests on topics, you can leave them in the comments and I will be happy to help you. So see you all in the next video. Bye bye!